and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. 2 years ago, the Salesian Family Youth Center embarked on a journey that initially filled its team with apprehension, organizing a gala. In 2023, the inaugural Salesian Family Youth Center Gala aimed to bring together friends of Salesian centers without losing funds critical to supporting the children they serve. Thanks to widespread support, we successfully raised approximately 40,000 rupees. Motivated by the visionary spirit of Don Bosco, we set our sights higher for the 2024 Gala, aspiring to invite more guests and host a grandeur event. Despite our initial fears, we chose to trust in the greater purpose of our mission, recognizing that the Salesian Family Youth Center is part of a divine plan, the Salesians of Don Bosco in the province of West United States stated. After a whole week of events involving the Diocese of Noto, citizens in Modica and the local Salesian family on Saturday 2nd of March, the 17th anniversary of the death of Nino Ballegri, volunteer with Don Bosco CDB, a Eucharistic concelebration in memory of the servant of God, took place at the Merry Help of Christians parish in Modica. The celebration was attended by several groups of the Salesian family in Modica, the provincial of the Salesians in Sicily, Father Giovanni Di Andrea, some CDBs, several Salesian and diocesan priests, the family and friends of Nino Baglieri, as well as the mayor of Modica, Maria Monasteri. On 24th February 2024, the Advisory Council of the Association of Salesian Cooperators of Thailand, led by Ms. Navapon Kitsawat, coordinator, joined the retreat of the Salesian Cooperators in the northeastern region of Thailand. The retreat, which took place at the Don Bosco Vithaya School in the province of Udon Thani, was led by Father Smith Dengampan, SDB, and 40 people participated. After the retreat, a meeting of the District Advisory Committee took place. There are 192 Salesian cooperators in Thailand in 13 groups, plus one group in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and Mrs. Kitsawat is the provincial coordinator. Father Nifon Sarachit SDB is the Salesian delegate for the AESC and Sister Supawan Chotifon for the FMA. In the last days of February, immediately after the team visit to the Africa-Madagascar region, the Salesian family provincial delegates of the Salesians of Don Bosco SDB and the Daughters of Merry Help of Christians FMA gathered in Kigali, the capital of Rwanda, together with the representatives of other groups of the Africa-Madagascar region. The Kigali meeting was the 7th of its kind to be held globally, each of them dedicated to a different region of the Salesian family. Encouraged by Father Alphonse Uwudu, SDB Regional Councillor for Africa-Madagascar, and Father Dennis Soto, Provincial of Southwest Africa AOS, and Salesian Family Reference Person within the Conference of Provinces and Vice Provinces of the region, CIVAM. Virtually all the SDB and FMA delegates of the region took part in the meeting, together with the representatives of the groups. Students attending Don Bosco Primary School, part of Don Bosco Children and Life Mission, Don Bosco Calm, in Namugongo, northeast of Kampala, Uganda, received new school uniforms, sports uniforms, and school supplies, thanks to donor funding from Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. The 200 children, ages 5 to 13, were from families most in need. They could not afford to buy their children new school uniforms or the school supplies to take part in educational activities. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.